so this is the pit here. So this is the primary social hub of the college. Many people come here before their classes, after their classes, on their breaks to socialize with their friends. It's also the central hub of the school, so if you're ever lost, find your way back here. There are signs that'll help you find your way to our many different classes and services. There are a couple different services that are connected to the pit right here, so we'll touch on a few of them here. One is located just behind me here. This is the Chronicle. So the Chronicle is the newsroom for Durham College, and it is the primary lab space for our journalism program. So if you're interested in writing about the events of the world, or writing about current events going on within the Durham region, the journalism program is a great opportunity for you to hone your skills. Also located over to my left, over here, we have our Center for Professional and Part-Time Learning, previously known as our Continuing Education Office. So the Pbl Office is the place where you would go if you're interested in taking courses on a part-time basis or through online learning. So if you want to learn how to ride a motorcycle, for example, take a baking class, learn a language, whatever it may be, those are all offered through our Pbl Office. Located a little bit down the way, we do have our parking office as well. So parking is available for students. You would have to purchase a parking pass, and we have several different lots available on campus to park at. So if you are planning on commuting to campus via car, make sure that you have access to a parking pass. Also located just a little bit over here, we do have our security desk. So security is on campus 24/7, 365. You'll see the guards walking around, driving around campus, making sure everything's all safe and secure. We also have our Campus Walk program. So Campus Walk is run by student volunteers who set up a table right around here after about 6 p.m. every night. So if you do feel unsafe on campus for whatever reason, these volunteers will walk to your car, residence, bus stop, class, wherever, just to help you feel more safe and secure. And then tucked around the corner here to my right, we do have the Marketplace Cafeteria. So we do have many different food options available on campus. So whether you're looking for your morning coffee or you're looking to get a bite for lunch, there are tons of options available for you. Just as a quick note, if you were interested in getting the meal plan as attached to residence or just getting one on your own, this is not the primary place that you would have your meals. Your meals would be held at the Fresh Food Company Dining Hall, which is attached to our South Village residence. They'll show you a little later on. Alrighty, so welcome to the bookstore. So this is obviously the place that you would go to purchase any of your textbooks. One great thing here is that they price match with Amazon Indigo chapters. So if you are able to find a cheaper price online, you can bring that price in here and they'll be able to price match it for you. So save a couple bucks there. This is also a place where you can get all the Durham College attire you could ever want. So t-shirts, sweaters, sweatpants, stationery like pens, pencils, books, binders, you name it, it's all offered in here. We also have many different materials for our students' uniforms. So as you can see right here to my left, you can see a nice little rack for different scrubs if you're going into like the nursing program, for example. And then around the corner, we also have different lab coats for our students in pharmaceutical and food technology, as well as many different chemistry students as well. So this is a great place to come if you're looking to get outfitted in some Durham College swag and rep the school. In this area here, this is our computer commons. So the computer commons is basically Durham's open computer lab. There are about 170 different computers here available for students, both PC and Mac. So depending on your preference or what may be required for your classes, there'll be a computer down here for you. It's first come, first served. There's no time limits. There's no booking computers. You just come in, take a seat, get to work. Their only rules is no gaming and no food and drink. Any of the software that you need for any of your different programs will be loaded onto these computers for you. So if you needed Photoshop, for example, or AutoCAD for your assignments, they'll be loaded onto these computers here for you. So you don't actually have to purchase the software and put it on your own laptop. You can always come here to get your assignments done. One other thing I'll also mention, we do have printers available here as well. So every student gets $23 worth of print credits at the start of every year. And so that comes into just over 1,000 black and white pages of printing. So save the ink at home, print off here, and make sure that all your assignments, PowerPoints, whatever you may need, are printed off and ready for you for your classes. So this is our Access and Support Center, or ASC for short. So this is the place that you would go if you require any special accommodations during your time here at Durham College. So whether you need extra time on a test, a note taker in class, use of a laptop in class, whatever it may be, what you would do is you would come and meet with one of our accessibility counselors and you bring any supporting documentation that you have, be it in high school IEP, educational assessment, doctor's note, whatever it may be, and they will help get you the accommodations that you need or connect you to the appropriate resources to help you out. So located behind me here, we have the school office for business, IT, and management. So programs located within here, kind of within the name. So business, information technology, as well as our management programs are all located within this primary area. So a couple different functions of a school office that you should know about. So located in here, you have your student advisor. So your student advisor, think of them like a high school guidance counselor. They're there for you if you had questions about adding or dropping any of your courses, looking at transfer opportunities after you're done, or just assisting you throughout your academic journey. Also in here, you would find your placement coordinator. So your placement coordinator's main job is to help you find your placement opportunity and assist you during your time here. So if you're interested about how placement works, once you start your program, you will have access to your placement coordinator. Placement generally takes place in the latter half of your program, generally second year, third year, that sort of thing. So you'll connect with them and you'll learn more about the placement opportunities available to you. All right, so this nifty little space here, this is our AI Hub. So the AI Hub is another one of our research initiatives on campus, and also it is a learning space for our students in our artificial intelligence program. So this is a great opportunity for students to work within a very emerging field in artificial intelligence. Our artificial intelligence program is a graduate certificate program. So it's a one-year program with an optional work term that can be completed after you've already done a diploma or degree option. So if you've been in science, engineering, technology, for example, and you want to kind of go into sort of the realm of artificial intelligence, this would be a great opportunity. You'd be able to work on robots like these that serve many different purposes. Many of our different robots work in the area of manufacturing as well as healthcare settings as well. So if this interests you, I'd highly recommend giving this program a shot. Alrighty, so located behind me here, we have the school office for the School of Health and Community Services. So once again, in the name, these are for many of our different healthcare programs as well as our community services programs. So if you're interested in practical nursing, dental hygiene, programs like that, more in the healthcare field, this would be your home base, and in many of our different labs, like our dental clinic, which is located a little bit just down the hallway. So if you were interested in dental hygiene, dental assisting, one of your main labs would be that dental clinic just down the hallway here. But also if you're interested in working within our community, things like early childhood education, social service worker programs like that, you'd have the opportunity to stay within this field as well. Another great opportunity we do have is we're launching our second degree program this September. So that degree is in behavioral science. So it would be a great opportunity for you to get a practical degree learning environment here on the college campus. Alrighty, so located here to my right, we have the school office for the School of Justice and Emergency Services, or JES. So JES is for programs that would allow you to be out in the field being problem solvers and emergency responders within our community. So we have a variety of different programs located within here, everything from paramedic, firefighting, police foundations to more law-based programs like paralegal, law clerk, advanced court support services. Programs that would allow you to gain the practical knowledge to be out in the field and being contributing members to our community, especially in our time of need. So located behind me, this is the school office for the School of Interdisciplinary Studies, or School of IS for short. So School of IS, this is a primary place for any students who are looking for a program to kind of help them get into a different program. So this is where you find many of our general arts and science programs, as well as our pre-health programs. So if, for example, you want to go into a more competitive program or a university program, for example, and your marks aren't up to snuff currently, what you have the ability to do is to come and take one of our one-year general arts and science or pre-health programs and help boost up your grades and advance your standing so that when you go to apply for one of those highly competitive programs or a university program, for example, you would have that chance to boost up your grades and have that taste of the college experience as well. Alrighty, so located in the office here to my left, this is the School of Media Art and Design, or MAD for short. So this is for all of our different artistic programs. So whether you're interested in more fine arts programs like photography, animation, fine arts advanced, for example, all kind of hands-on, more applied arts, or maybe you're looking for more of the business side, so you're looking at things like public relations or maybe even journalism. All these different areas would fall under the School of Media Art and Design. Alrighty, so this is our H-Wing. This is home to many of our different programs in the School of Science, Engineering, or Technology, or SET for short. So pretty much if any of the programs have science, engineering, or technology in the name, they'll probably be located here within this H-Wing. So located a little bit behind you here, We have our Integrated Manufacturing Center, or IMC for short. So this is home to many of our different robots and machine technologies. So if you were interested in mechanical engineering or electromechanical engineering, the IMC located behind you there is where you'd find all your different lab space and equipment that you would need to learn all the tips of the trade. Kind of located a little bit around the corner, we have our Biomedical Technology Lab area. So that Biomed Lab is used for two primary programs. One is obviously our Biomedical Engineering program, and also our first degree program of Healthcare Technology Management, or HCTM for short. So what's interesting about HCTM is that it combines three different avenues of the industry. So what you would do is that you would learn about healthcare, so you'd obviously learn about anatomy, physiology, chemistry, bio, that sort of thing. You would also learn about the actual technology that you'd be working on. So you'd be working on dialysis machines, ventilators, all those different biomedical technologies, and you would learn how to sort of build them, diagnose them, so that you know the ins and the outs of the machines that you'd be working on. And then finally, you will learn about management. So the idea is that the graduates from this program will go on to work in hospital settings as managers so that they would know how to manage their staff as well as knowing how to manage the equipment and budgets that they are provided. All right, so welcome to the link here. So the link is the link between Durham College and Ontario Tech University. So as you've seen throughout the tour, we share many different services with Ontario Tech. We also share the campus with them. One other great thing that we do share are what are known as diploma to degree transfer opportunities. So what many students choose to do throughout their time here at Durham College is they will do their 2 or 3 year diploma, and then they will transfer over to Ontario Tech or other colleges and universities across Ontario to complete a degree. So what I recommend to students, if you are interested in continuing your education after you're done here at Durham College, is to look at the Durham College website, so durhamcollege.ca, look up your program of interest, and then look for the little tab there that says transfer. Click on that transfer tab and it will tell you all the different colleges and universities across Ontario, Canada, the world that you would have advanced standing in. So our direct entry programs to Ontario Tech would allow you to complete a diploma to degree transfer opportunity within 4 years for many of our different programs. So if you are looking to get both the practical experience of a diploma here at the college and that theoretical knowledge from the university, you have that option available to you.